Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we got a special project that we're going to talk about. It is called Yo4art.com. I'm going to put the link of it in the description below. You can head over there and check it out. 4art is an amazing project. In today's video, I'm going to go in great details and show you what the roadmap is, what the metaverse is, what the royalties, and why they want to save the earth. And I'm going to show you the individuals behind this particular project and what they are planning to do. This is going to be one of the biggest projects in the industry because this is looking at the environment. You can own an Anim4rt and save the forest, and they're bringing this element together. And what is this particular project about? Get ready to witness the Yo4art's revolutionary NFT collection, a prestigious collection of 10,000 handcrafted NFTs for exploring the animal art metaverse. Each NFT is a culmination of their passion for art, wildlife, and its protection. Every piece is unique, beautiful, and extremely rare. And their team have spent gazillion hours perfecting the details, making each Anim4rt a rarity in the NFT realm. And by owning an Anim4rt, you will have special outcomes in the fabulous metaverse world that they're building. Witness the massive rise of animal welfare organization of the fun and be an artarian. And the main element over here is the story that is embedded in the art. They tend to forget the beauty of things. Our aim is to keep all species that are in danger or already extinct alive in our metaverse world so that we can admire and learn from them. In our pursuit of unparalleled art, we are crafting the Anim4rt collection to perfection. But the thing to behold is not just their beauty, it is the details that lie within them. Each NFT is embedded with a character story preserved eternally on the blockchain. There is always room for a story that can transfer you into their world. Own any of their NFTs and be the master of the story itself, the metaverse. Prepare to experience the wild like never before. Only in the Anim4rt metaverse you can enjoy and interact with magnificent animals. Get ready to take your spot among like-minded people who not only want to be part of this ever-evolving metaverse, but also want to preserve the real world and make Anim4rt metaverse truly special, that once you jump in, you will truly be free to experience life as part of the nature and choose one of the habitats and dive into the breathtaking environments, and you can learn so much more. And that, my friend, is the reason why this has become the biggest project that is being talked about right now, because it's taking things to the next level with their token. The world has been taken over by the metaverse world, a cryptocurrency with their blockchains, and they're reaching the goal of becoming the prime animal welfare organization that is already using all these web technologies 3.0. The major event is the launch of the token. This cryptocurrency will save the wild species and promises a quick return on investments. Its growth is already spectacular. Everyone will want to help and donate, and will always be able to do with this special art token to keep all the transfers completely transparent. So basically, own what you save, and that means the wilderness is fading, species are disappearing from Earth, and the cause is the humans. Ironically, there is only one solution: the humans. Unless we want to band together and vow to protect them and create sanctuaries where the animals can live in peace, they'll always be endangered. In the metaverse is more than just a patch on a blockchain. It represents all that we stand for, and we stand for nature. So become a co-owner of a rainforest through their Anim4rt token. Each token will be legally owned the one of 10,000 part of the land that they buy. So obviously you will be part of the chain, and becoming part of the chain, you will be a part of the solution instead of being a part of the problem. And that is where we all go wrong. We concentrate on the problem, we look at the problem, we talk about the problem, but we never have a solution to the problem. But with this NFT, we actually have a solution to the problem, and becoming a solution to the problem, you can do change, and you bring change yourself because you learn how to change. And that, my friend, is the reason why you can earn as well. And by owning this NFT, you become part of the community, and each token you have, you buy a part of it, and you invest in the greater cause that gives you exclusive features in the metaverse, and you use the codes to earn exciting rewards and benefits and interact with other members as well. The roadmap, I feel, is one of the best. I've never come across a roadmap of this nature before, and they've done a wonderful job from the mint of the NFT to the token to saving the forest and expanding the project and royalties and the animal metaverse. And they're bringing all these elements together for one reason and one reason only: for society, for giving back to society, for protecting the wilderness, for protecting the animals. And you can actually be part of this change and be a part of the new world that's coming into existence on the Web 3.0, the metaverse. So we will be leaving this universe and we'll be entering a new world, a world where everything is possible with endless possibilities. And obviously, when you have endless possibilities, you can do whatever you want. And when you can do that, you can achieve whatever you want. So all the mistakes that I've done with generations after generations of human beings, we can actually rectify those problems in the metaverse. And that is why we have projects of this nature that are coming into existence, that are supporting the change that we want. And that is one of the reasons they have so many partners and so many people interested in this particular NFT, in this particular project. If you have not followed them on Twitter, follow them on Twitter. And if you have not followed them on Discord, follow them on Discord, because the Discord is the only place where you can get up-to-date and reliable information about this project and any other project. The purpose of my videos is to help every single person who is interested in NFTs to make a sound decision that is based upon facts and figures, decisions that is based upon facts and not emotions. If you want to invest your time and money into an NFT and you want to find out more about those NFTs, you can always visit my channel, The Educational Network, and it will help you with making a decision. If you still need guidance, you can always drop me a WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is available in the About Us section of my channel on The Educational Network. You can head over there, get my number, and drop me a message. Furthermore, you can also comment on Facebook, on YouTube, on Instagram, and I will definitely reply back to you. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, guys, do subscribe to it so you do not miss any of my videos. Stay tuned for my next video. Until then, take care.